1. Greetings and small talk. 50. How's it going? I'm doing well, thanks. What about you? Not too bad. It's nice to see you again. How have you been? I've been busy with work. I'm just relaxing today. How was your weekend? My weekend was great. Did you go anywhere? Yes, I went shopping. No, I stayed at home. What do you usually do on Sundays? I usually visit my family. What do you like to do in your free time? I like watching movies. I enjoy listening to music. I play football every weekend. I sometimes go hiking. What's your favorite sport? My favorite sport is basketball. Do you watch TV often? Yes, almost every day. Not really, only sometimes. What kind of movies do you like? I like action movies. I prefer romantic comedies. I enjoy horror films. What's your favorite food? I really like sushi. I prefer pasta to pizza. I often eat rice and vegetables. Do you like spicy food? Yes, I love spicy food. No, I can't eat spicy food. How's the weather today? It's a little cloudy. It's sunny but cold. It looks like it's going to rain. What's the weather like in your country? It's hot in summer and cold in winter. It snows a lot in winter. We have 4 seasons. Do you like summer or winter? I prefer summer. I like winter more. I enjoy spring the most. Autumn is very beautiful. The weather changes a lot here. 2. At the supermarket and restaurant. 50. Excuse me, can you help me find the rice? Yes, it's on the second shelf. Do you have any fresh bread today? Yes, we baked it this morning. How much does this cost? It costs $5. That's a good price. That's too expensive for me. Can I pay with a credit card? Yes, we accept cards. Do you need a shopping bag? Yes, please give me one. No, I brought my own bag. What time do you close today? We close at 8 p.m. Can I return this item later? Yes, please bring the receipt. This meat looks very fresh. Do you sell organic vegetables? Yes, they're over there. Is this fruit sweet? Yes, it's very sweet. Could you give me a discount? Sorry, the price is fixed. Thank you for your help. You're welcome. Table for 3, please. Do you have a reservation? No, we don't. Yes, under the name Smith. Can we sit near the window? Sure, follow me. May I see the menu, please? Here you are. What do you recommend? I recommend the beefsteak. Can I have chicken with salad? Yes, of course. I'd like some water, please. Still or sparkling? Still, please. Is this dish spicy? Yes, a little. Could you make it less spicy? Certainly. The food looks delicious. How does it taste? It tastes wonderful. Can we have the bill, please? Here's your bill. 3. Transportation and travel. 50. Excuse me, does this bus go to the city center? Yes, it does. No, you need to take bus number 10. How long does the trip take? About 20 minutes. Where can I buy a ticket? You can buy it from the machine. Can I pay on the bus? Yes, you can. No, tickets must be bought in advance. Is this seat free? Yes, please sit down. Sorry, it's taken. Which train goes to the airport? Take the express train. Where can I change trains? Change at Central Station. How much is a ticket to London? It's £25. Do you offer student discounts? Yes, with a student card. What time does the train leave? It leaves at 9:30 a.m. Is the train on time? No, it's delayed. Where is the taxi stand? It's outside the station. Can you take me to the hotel? Sure, get in. How long will it take? About 15 minutes. How much is the fare? $10, please. Can you give me a receipt? Of course. Please stop here. No problem. Thank you very much. You're welcome. Have a safe trip. I'm going on holiday next week. Where are you going? I'm going to Thailand. How long will you stay? For 2 weeks. Are you going alone? No, I'm going with friends. Do you like traveling? Yes, I love it. I want to visit many countries. 4. Daily life and home. 50. What time do you usually wake up? I usually wake up at 7 a.m. Do you eat breakfast every day? Yes, I do. No, sometimes I skip breakfast. What do you usually eat for breakfast? I usually eat bread and eggs. I like rice for breakfast. I sometimes drink coffee. I often drink tea. What time do you go to work? I usually go to work at 9 a.m. How do you go to work? I go by bus. I walk to work. Do you like your job? Yes, I do. It's okay, not bad. No, I don't really like it. What do you usually do after work? I usually cook dinner. Sometimes I watch TV. I often read a book. I play games in the evening. I sometimes go shopping. What time do you usually go to bed? Around 11 p.m. Sometimes later. Do you live alone? No, I live with my family. I live with my friends. I live with my husband. I live with my wife. I live with my parents. Is your house big or small? It's small but comfortable. It's big and beautiful. Do you have your own room? Yes, I do. No, I share with my brother. What color is your room? It's blue. It's white. Do you like cooking? Yes, I enjoy cooking.